I'm sure you've heard the term algorithm a lot when you're talking about Facebook, but do you really know or even understand how the Facebook algorithm actually works? Well, truthfully, even when the algorithm does change, it's not all that much. Nothing that would cause some major paradigm shift in how the function works anyway. So let's dive into exactly how the Facebook algorithm works. Now, whether you love it or hate it, you've got to understand it to be successful in marketing your business on the world's largest social media platform. You want it to know that your content is valuable, authentic, and worth serving up to your followers. So what exactly is the Facebook algorithm anyway? Well, it determines which posts people see every time they check their Facebook feed and in what order those posts actually show up. Essentially, the Facebook algorithm evaluates every post. It scores those posts with ranking signals and then arranges them in descending, non-chronological order of interest for each individual user. This process happens every time a user refreshes their Facebook feed. It's basically a mathematical equation that feeds off data points. Those data points come in the form of engagements from your audience. Now, how does Facebook determine what they show users in their feed? This is basically done in 3 steps. The algorithm figures out what content might be shown to users by using 3 main ranking signals: who posted it, type of content, and interactions with that post. Now, each post is ranked based on these 3 main ranking signals to determine where it appears in the user's feed. With who posted it, you're more likely to see content from sources you interact with, including friends and businesses. Type of content means if you most often interact with video, you'll see more video. If you engage with photos, you'll see more photos. And you kind of get the idea here. And interactions with the post means Facebook will prioritize posts with a lot of engagement, especially from people you interact with a lot on their platform. Now, we know the Facebook algorithm weighs certain engagements on your content differently, meaning one type of engagement is scored higher than the other. With this knowledge, you can actually attribute an actual score number to those types of engagements in order to arrive at a piece of content's overall score. Now, of course, Facebook doesn't disclose the actual score number their algorithm assigns. However, we do know the types of engagements that score higher than others. From this, we've seen the algorithm favor these types of ranking signals over all others. Now, those are going to be in order from highest to lowest. It goes shares, comments, and then likes. Now, this video is all about understanding how the algorithm works so you can learn what Facebook considers valuable for its users. You have to do the work to figure out how those overall principles apply to your specific audience. Then create content that will resonate with them and in turn send more ranking signals to the algorithm. Now, of course, when you're trying to bump up your engagement numbers, it can be really tempting to seek out complicated Facebook algorithm hacks. Trying to manipulate the algorithm to get more distribution than your content merits based on those ranking signals is a big no-no. Facebook considers this spam, so basically what I'm saying is don't do it. The message here is really pretty simple. Now that you understand how the Facebook algorithm works, work with the algorithm, not against it.